Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Now we will continue this chapter and start 30% questions and lengthy questions. Question number 1. Why did the Qaid have to take long tours during the early days of independence? कि कायद आज़म को आज़ादी के शुरू के दिनों में लंबे दौरे करने की क्यों ज़रूरत महसूस हुई थी? तो इसका आंसर होगा he had to take long tours to build confidence and raise people's spirit. Question number 2. Why did the Qaid want the oneness of the whole nation? कायद आज़म जो है वो तमाम कौम की वहदत क्यों चाहते थे? आंसर, he wanted so to make the whole nation strong and prosperous. Prosperous, Prosperous. Question number 3. Are we working according to the expectations of the great leader? इसका आंसर आप खुद करेंगे. आप लोग क्या समझते हैं, आपके जहन में क्या आता है कि क्या आप पूरा उतर रहे हैं या नहीं, आप उसकी रीजन देंगे. What is the result of neglecting the advice of the Qaid? Neglecting the advice of the Qaid, we have become disunited. This is why we are facing so many problems. ग्लॉसरी आपने लर्न करनी है. ग्लॉसरी में आपके जो वर्ड्स हैं इनके मीनिंग्स मैंने आपको बता दिए थे. एप्टीट्यूड, सलाहियत, फंडामेंटल, बुनियादी, अहम, इनॉर्मिटी, सख्ती, ओवरवेल्म्ड, मगलूब, पाइवट, मरकजी नुक्ता, न्यूमरस, बहुत या मुतअद्द, स्टर्लिंग, खास. Answer the following questions. How much confidence did Qaid-e-Azam have in his nation? He had much confidence in his nation and thought that if the people become united, they can get their lost dignity. क्या पूछा गया इसके अंदर कि कायद आज़म को अपनी कौम पर कितना एतमाद था? तो उसका आंसर क्या था कि वो अपनी कौम पर बहुत ज़्यादा एतमाद रखते थे. उनका ख्याल था कि अगर लोग मुतहद हो जाएं तो अपना खोया हुआ मुकाम जो है वो हासिल कर सकते हैं. व्हाट वाज द कायद्स कंसेप्ट ऑफ आवर नेशन? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. पेपर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा अहम है. कायद का कौमी नज़रिया क्या था? The Qaid said that we are a nation according to any definition of a nation. We have distinctive outlook on life. We have distinctive culture, civilization, language, laws, moral values and customs. What was the ideology of Pakistan in view of Qaid-e-Azam? The ideology of Pakistan in view of Qaid-e-Azam was based on the fundamental principle that the Muslims are an independent nation and any attempt to get them merge their national and political identity will be strongly resisted. ये तमाम जो क्वेश्चंस हैं इनके आंसर्स मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिए हैं ट्रांसलेशन के दौरान. What can be the possible solution to our present problems? तो हमारे मौजूदा मसाइल जो हैं उसका मुमकिन हल क्या हो सकता है? We can solve our present problems by becoming united, leaving aside our personal, local, lingual, ethnic, sectarian or provincial identities and prejudices. How can we become a strong nation? We can become a strong nation if we follow the principles and advices given by our Qaid. Vocabulary करेंगे हम लोग. Encircle the option for the underlined words that relates to the text. We are a nation. He formed 3 years before the birth of Pakistan. Told, said, emphatically, broken. तो क्या होगा इसका? Said emphatically. We have our own distinctive outlook of life. Distinguish, powerful, wavering. तो क्या होगा इसका? distinguish. Keep up your morale. Wealth, fortitude, voice. तो क्या इसका होगा? Fortitude. Don't be afraid of death. Attended to, scared, squared up, scared. We should face it bravely to save the honor of Pakistan and Islam. Prepared, cope with, and correct. तो इसका आंसर होगा cope with. Consult our treasuries and find the synonyms of the following words. इसके आपने जो है वो synonyms लिखने हैं. Morale, spirit, voyage, सफर, journey, ambition, मकसद, aim, nomenclature, नाम रखना, naming, identity, शनाख्त, individuality, distinctive, इम्तियाजी, distinguishing, emergence, क़याम, appearance, struggle, जिद्दोजहद, endeavor, ENDEAVOUR, जिद्दोजहद करना, numerous, बहुत ज़्यादा, वाफर, कसीर, abundant, ABUNDANT, strong, मजबूत, solid, ideology, अकायद, ideas, अकायद या नज़रियात. Write the antonyms of the following words. इनके आपने antonyms लिखने हैं, मुत्तज़ाद लिखने हैं. Confidence, doubt, honor, dishonor, belief, disbelief, separate, combine, unity, disunity, political, local. Use the following idioms in sentences. Bits and pieces. We should not divide into bits and pieces. फिरकों में बंटना. Man in the street, आम आदमी. His speech and style was quite understandable by a man in the street. Raising spirit. We should get lessons from Qaid's raising spirit. Pass through, कामयाब होना. If he had worked hard, he would have passed through the exams. Conditional sentence. Fall a prey. Aslam fell a prey to cancer, unfortunately.